Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the HTML formatting tags. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So first we have the bold tags, italic tags and underline. So let's see how they are going to work. So I'm going to take a text only with the simple one here, suppose, and here I want to center with bold. So here I need to just add the bold text and I'm just need to copy this one, just control Z this one, and here we are going to paste this one with the text to. Okay, save it, go to this one, reload this. You can see that this text is bold as compared to the next one, right? Next we are going to move italic, so you can also italicize italic. That means like you can say cursive writing type. Okay, italic, this one, this is italic one, right? Next we have italic is done. Underline, if you want to underline this, just make it U. Okay, go and reload this. This is underline text. Next we have strike. So you want to add a strike over any of the things, so you just place the strike text. So here I'm going to add the strike with the text. This is center line, so it will just strike it with the strike tag. You can see that right now is a strike. So this kind of, like, suppose you don't want to and you marked it like hide or something cross cut, you can use the strike tag, right? Next we are going to move to the subscript, superscript and subscript. Suppose we have a formula like H2O water, like chemistry, and something H2 or S5 S6 on the top of it. So these are superscript and subscript text. So let's check what they are difference between it. So you can see that in the we have used subscript. Okay, so if I'm going to reload this, you can see that subscript basically underneath. Okay, and next we are going to use it superscript, that is above. So you can use this one. So I'm going to use superscript is this one. So you can go and reload this, not saving it. It is above this one. So if you go here, you can use like H. Here we can move 2, and here you can move it with the O. This is O. You can see that with this H2O water molecular formula, or you can just add this over here. You can see that H2O molecular formula is written over here, right? And suppose a square and b square if you want to add, so you can go with the this one, a square, b square, c square, or something like this. You can use this like this. So this is superscript and subscript that you're going to use it. Okay, insert text and delete text. So this is the basic phenomena how we are going to use it. You can see that right now, and you can go and check this. This is I want drink cola. Cola is deleted one, this is inserted one. So cola is deleted one and this is inserted text. So you can use this way. Okay, larger text, if you want to make it bolder, much larger text, you want to use, just put big. So you can see that big interface is used, so the text gonna be like big showing. Smaller text, if you want to use, just place this one with the small text. Okay, so here we are going to just place with the small. Okay, so you are going to use this is the small text as compared to the another text. So it's going to be small, another text is compared, it is going to be big if you are going to add the big text, right? So this is the HTML formatting text that we have learned today in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.